What's going on, people? I have my 65 C10 and I've been wanting to do hood pins for the longest time, but I've researched it and nobody has really done it as far as I know. And the way to do it, like traditionally, you need the hood pin, it goes through the hood, and then you put the cotter pin looking thing and on a C10, especially the first generation. Oh, hey.
Oh.
Sorry about that, guys. One of my roommates just kind of walked by. But I was going to say on the first generation C10, the hood is just so thick that you need like a really tall hood pin to go through, from the fender all the way up. So I wasn't going to do that, and I didn't really know where to find a really, really long hood pin. So what I did was, look, check it out. I actually have it complete. So I went to Home Depot and this literally cost me about 10, not even 20 bucks. So this is gonna be high estimate 20 bucks. I got some wire. I got some crimps or ferrules, and I made loops at the ends. And at this end, it's a little like S thing. Forgot what it's called. On the other end, I went with an eye screw. I think they call them an eye screw. And so this is gonna go like hidden in my grill, and it's gonna have a nut on the other end. That way it can be like really secure it. So that's what's gonna go in the grill, and then this will go up into the inside of the hood, and inside of the hood it's going to attach to some U-bolts that I put in there, and I'll show you right now. And I have some clips of different things that I did to them, just to put them in the truck. But I think it's going to look okay. And if anything, if the hood latch doesn't work, it's kind of stop it. It might mess up the hood, but I'd rather it just mess up the hood itself and just the hood instead of hood, windshield, cab, and everything. So I think it's a pretty good investment. Not even 20 bucks. Like I said, it's probably 10. I don't remember what I did, but this is pretty neat. So let me cut over and show you what I have. Okay, so I already have one of the hood pins installed, as you can see. That's how they're gonna hang. So in through there, it's gonna be really hard to see. You can kind of see the eye screw over there, but basically it comes in behind the battery. The battery is gonna be here, and this is one of the eye screws that comes through here. I had to use a 1/4-inch drill bit, put a hole in here, and in the exact same location I added one over here, which ended up being somewhere around the wiring. It's gonna be right here, that one right there. So I made sure and measured it to be super symmetrical. Both the wires are also the exact same length, and I used from, oh boy, let me tell you, because this is kind of a weird measurement that I used. So I already had this side made. This I had made, and it was extra long that way. So once I made this, from this point all the way to the center of this loop, 17 inches. That's my magical number. That's what I liked. So what I'm gonna do right now, oh, I need to show you where it attaches. So up in here, there's where it attaches. So it's just like a U-bolt or yeah. I used the same 1/4" drill bit, and I drilled it, and I put nuts over here on this side, so it's just holding it on right there. So the intention is for me to just slip this onto it, and I'll show you right now. So there it's closed, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, and you can't see and I cannot see either. There it is. That's it. That's all it takes. So of course my truck is kind of rusty and it looks bad, but I think it's pretty cool. It looks pretty neat. It's kind of hidden, kind of race car-ish, race truck-ish, even though this truck is super slow, but I think it's going to be looking neat. And I'll put the other one on right now and I'll cut to this clip.